Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a tablet that can actually replace your laptop for most daily tasks, you might be eyeing the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, but after spending the last 2 weeks using this thing as my primary machine, I have realized that it is not quite the perfect device everyone wants it to be. The screen is undeniably the star of the show here. The 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is gorgeous, and the anti-reflective coating is not just marketing fluff. I used this in a brightly lit coffee shop and on my back porch, and it genuinely stays readable without me having to crank the brightness to the point of killing my battery. If you want to check the current pricing or see the specific configuration I am using, I have included links below the video for you to explore. The hardware build feels premium, and the fact that it is rated for water and dust resistance is a huge relief if you are like me and prone to spilling coffee near your workspace. However, the software experience is where things get a bit complicated. Samsung is leaning heavily into their AI features this year. The Note Assist tool is genuinely useful for someone who sits in long meetings. It takes my messy, transcribed notes and turns them into a structured summary, which has saved me a lot of time. Sketch to image is a fun party trick, but for a professional or even a serious hobbyist, it feels more like a toy than a productivity tool. Performance-wise, the tablet is snappy. I threw a dozen apps at it, including heavy multitasking with split-screen windows, and it never stuttered. But here is the reality check that most reviews skip over. Even with a powerful processor, you're still bound by the limitations of Android. If your workflow relies on specific desktop software, or if you need a file management system that feels like a real computer, you'll still run into walls. Samsung DeX is the best implementation of a desktop interface on a tablet, but it is not a full Windows or Mac experience. I also have to address the S Pen. It is included in the box, which is a massive win compared to the competition that makes you pay extra for a stylus. The latency is practically non-existent, and the feel on the glass is better than previous generations. If you are a digital artist or a student who takes handwritten notes, this is arguably the best tablet on the market for that purpose. That said, if you just want a media consumption device, you might find that you are paying for features you will never use. There are some disappointments, though. The front-facing camera placement is fine for landscape video calls, but the image quality is just average. It is perfectly functional for zoom, but it is not going to win any awards for clarity in low light. Also, while the battery life is solid, it is not a 2-day machine if you're pushing the display and running AI processes in the background. You'll be reaching for that charger by the end of a busy workday. If you are a student, a creative professional, or someone who is already deep into the Samsung ecosystem, the Tab S10 Plus is a fantastic piece of hardware that justifies its price tag through its display quality and that excellent included S Pen. However, if you are looking for a device to replace your work laptop for heavy administrative tasks or complex software, you should probably manage your expectations. It is a powerful tablet, not a laptop replacement. If you are interested in seeing more details or checking the latest deals, feel free to use the links below the video. Ultimately, this is a top-tier Android experience, provided you know exactly what you're getting into before you buy.